shoulders out of his monster truck right now, telling the crowd to get loud. So let's give him what he wants, Albany. Once again, this is his rookie season, and he is doing great so far. He was waving those two front tires to all the crowd right here in Albany, New York at MVP Arena. And the score to beat set by Chad Tickler in Zombie is a 7.012. The score for Hunter Souza in Earthshaker is 8.246. We have a new leader. Continuing on in the freestyle competition from Roseville, Michigan, here is Frank Brunel and Stone Crusher. Once again, that was Frank Brunel and Stone Crusher. That was an awesome run just before. Take a look up at that video board for some great replays. He was getting all kinds of big air under that pie. Will be enough for him to take away first place from the rookie Hunter Souza in Earthshaker. That is up to you, the fans. And the score for Frank Brunel and Stone Crusher is a 5.979. From El Paso, Texas, Once again, give it up for Lindsay Reed and Scooby-Doo. She wants to get out of Albany. Earlier today, Lindsay Reed was telling us that she was going to get the nose of her Monster Jam truck up to the video board, and she did just that. She was getting all kinds of massive air today, but it is up to you, the fans. One more time, say hello to Lindsay Reed, Scooby-Doo. The score to beat set by Hunter Souza and Earthshaker is an 8.246, and the score for Lindsay Reed and Scooby-Doo is 8.718. We have a new leader. Taking on the freestyle competition from Reed, California, here is Armando Castro, El Toro Loco. Don't worry, Albany, we will be giving Armando Castro and El Toro Loco a chance to refire his Monster Jam truck. There are 51 seconds left on the clock for Armando Castro. He's out of his Monster Jam truck right now. Albany, New York. Give it up for Armando Castro and El Toro Loco. Even with the stop and that action, he still managed to pull off a massive, huge, spectacular run. As you can see on the video board replay, that nose wheelie all the way across the pond. And the score for Armando Castro and El Toro Loco is an 8.492. Up next, from Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina, here is Weston Anderson, Grave Digger. Weston Anderson and Greg Digger left it all out on the track just now. But he's getting out of his Monster Jam truck. So all of New York, make some noise! That last trick, he was attempting a bicycle around the arena. But it is up to you, the fans, to submit your score for Weston Anderson and Greg Digger. And the score to beat, set by Lindsay Reed, is an 8.718. The score for Weston Anderson and Greg Digger is... 8.792. By a seventh of a margin, we have a new leader. Let's take a look up at the leaderboard right now. As you just saw, it is Weston Anderson and Greg Digger leading the way with an 8.782. Just behind him in second place is Lindsay Reed and Scooby-Doo with an 8.718. And rounding out third place is Armando Castro and El Toro Loco with an 8.642. These waypoints comes around right now, saying hello to Bernard Light in Megalodon. Another awesome run performed by Bernard Light in Megalodon. He was the 2022 Monster Jam Entertainer of the Year. And as you can see, he earned that for good reasoning. He just performed a massive sky wheelie, and his score is Bernard Light in Megalodon with an 8.403. Last but not least, in the freestyle competition from Knoxville, Tennessee, here is Dalton Wagner, Jurassic Attack! Once again, he just got out of his Monster Jam truck. Give it up for Dalton Wagner and Jurassic Attack. He was leaving it all out there, giving us a good spell just now. But it's up to you, the fans. This is your last opportunity of the night to walk in